Alright, what's going on YouTube? What I have here is a Porter Cable Dovetail Jig. It's a 4212, and it comes with these two templates. This one here is for through dovetails and for box joints, finger joints. The other template that it comes with is for half-blind dovetails. Before I can even get started using this thing, I have to set up my router. Now, the 4212 comes with this plastic bag, and it comes with an Allen key right here that's used for adjusting. There's a stop on the end here. It's used for loosening that and adjusting it laterally. There's also another stop right here. It's the same style on the other side, just flipped. And again, it's used for adjusting the piece, your work piece in the jig. So it comes with the Allen key for that. It comes with two of these bushings. So here's one of them, as you can see. And it just comes apart. It's got a knurled, sort of a knurled nut there. And it just comes apart like so, so you can install it onto your router. Now, what's the big deal about these? You need them because when you go to use your templates, this edge that's sort of lifted there fits down in the template, or allows you to have a nice cut. And it also protects your bit, your router bit, from contacting any of the edges of the template and obviously damaging not only your bit but also the template itself. So with that said, you have to have a router that has a plate that's compatible. So this is the, I think it's a 7-degree bit that comes with it. Dovetail bit. It comes with the jig. There's also and they come in these plastic containers. This is the one that this bit came in. And then you have this other bit. It's essentially a straight cut bit for doing the finger joints. So you get those two in there as well. I have the dovetail bit installed on my router. Now you can see that if you take this bushing, you know, there's nowhere to put it on this plate. However, you'll see this is a skill router, and it's a model, it's an 1817. So what I have to do is I have to take this plate off and install an adapter. And I'll put the link to the adapter in the down below. So first off, I need to take this bit out. I need to take this plate off, and then I need to install the adapter. I'll show you the adapter. So this is the adapter right here. Pretty simple. Came with these two screws, the plate, and then this ring right here. Now, I'm not exactly sure what this ring is. I think it's just for a spacer. But essentially what you do, this is the bottom of it, so this is be sitting on your workpiece, or facing the workpiece. So you just take this bit right here, press it in, it pretty much holds itself in place. Put that spacer ring in, and then just tighten the knurled nut on there, and that sits on your plate, and then it's attached with these by way of these two brackets with these two screws. So I just need to get that installed, and then we can actually use the jig. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's installed. Just a test piece. Obviously I don't have the depth set right, but that's the through dovetail. It's pretty tight, this piece of oak. And you can see I just didn't have it lined up perfectly. But pretty neat.